A big hello to all my Chutku people. I hope every one of you are doing really great, my dear children. So you are in this phase as of now of writing examinations, right? You have your boards going on, and now soon you will enter into the next phase of what? Searching for good colleges and things like that. And I am here to help you with the next phase, that is searching for good colleges. So many of you might know how you have to end up to your dream college. You might have people to guide you and things like that. But over here, I am going to help those children who might not have a lot of people to guide, or probably you are still confused of what you should be doing. Now listen to me. If you're someone who is wanting to get into engineering courses or things like that in good colleges of Karnataka, then there is an exam that is known as COMEDK. What is it? It is known as COMEDK. Now, there are two questions associated to it. That is, ma'am, I am from Karnataka and I have already applied for KCET. Can I still give COMEDK? Now, KCET is basically for students of Karnataka, yeah, and it will give admission to the colleges of Karnataka, but that's a government level test and it's mainly focused on the students of Karnataka itself. Okay, now still being registered to that, can I give COMEDK? That is one question. And now the next question is that, ma'am, I am from outside Karnataka. Can I give COMEDK? Well, the answer to both of your questions is yes, you are eligible for COMEDK. Guys, you are eligible for COMEDK. You can get into the top engineering colleges of Karnataka through COMEDK. Now, the next thing. What is the exam pattern? Before I get into the deep things, that is, where can I give the exam and things like that, I want to just give a brief about the exam pattern, if at all you do not know. So there are MCQ based questions, my dear children. There are almost 180 questions. Subjects are physics, chemistry and mathematics. For each correct answer, you will be getting 1 mark. There is no negative marking, so be happy for that. And the medium will be English, because everyone has to write it, right? Now, if you ask the subject-wise distribution, so physics will have 60 MCQ, chemistry will have 60 MCQ, mathematics will have 60 MCQ. In total, you have 180 questions. This is a brief about the exam. Now, when is this exam happening, my dear children? This exam is going to take place on 10th of May. 10th of May, the exam is there. Ma'am, until when can I register for this examination? That will be the next question. So, the last date for registration is Saturday, this Saturday, 15th March 2025, 12th noon. 12 noon, not 12th noon, it's 12 noon. Fine. Did you get it? So, basically, don't you think you should be giving it a try? And I'll tell you a solid reason for giving a try for COMEDK. Because you can get into the best colleges. Okay, so there is a list being given in their website. I'm going to show you that list also. Before that, I just want to tell you that there is a list given. You can go through whatever colleges you have in your mind. You can check whether it's there over here. Okay, and there are top 3 colleges that I already know, which comes under rank 75, 99 and 100 of the total top colleges of top 100 colleges of India. You get it? So, according to NIRF ranking, which is National Institutional Framework Ranking Framework, they have given ranks for engineering colleges and all the different medical colleges as well. I'm talking just about the engineering colleges. So, in that 100 ranks, 3 colleges from Karnataka itself, from Karnataka itself have got rank 75, rank 99 and rank 100, and there are other colleges also from Karnataka, but these 3 colleges you can get admission into this through COMEDK as well. Now, do you think you should be missing this opportunity? I don't think so. I don't think so. And it's not just that there are these 3 colleges, there are other colleges also which comes in between the rank of 100 and 150 also. I'm not included over here, but just for giving you an understanding, I'm telling you this. So, why to miss this opportunity of what? Getting into great college? Because obviously, wherever you get into, that matters a lot. And I'll tell you one very good thing about Karnataka is that the colleges over here, okay, at least the good colleges that we have over here, have great placement rates. Yes, but at the same time, I'll tell you, If you're someone who is not aware about all these things, you can ask to your friends who might be in Bangalore as of now. Ask them how they have got into it. Ask to your seniors. It is a very great way of understanding things. I don't want you to just blindly follow me and go give COMEDK, but it is just an exam. Why not just give it once? It's very important because I know some of you might have given your JEE, you might have not passed through, okay, or you might have given some other let's say private examination where the the fees and all is way too much. So for you guys, why don't you try once for COMEDK as well? It is really good. And for children who have registered for KCET but you think that you might not be eligible, and you can give for COMEDK also. In the COMEDK, the cutoff range is quite higher than KCET, right? So all these things are there. So I would request you to go through, and I'll be showing you a lot of other things as well. So if you want the list of colleges, we can put it in the description box. If you want it, put down in the comment section. And also, if you want something else from us regarding COMEDK, you can put it down in the comment section. We are going to answer that. And there's a little surprise for you which will be coming along the way for COMEDK students. So I hope you know that in YouTube we are going to give free classes for COMEDK. But apart from that, there is a surprise. So if you want some batches for COMEDK, actually good, great batches, do let us know that as well. Now, the main part of this particular video is that, do we have to come to Karnataka to give the test? The answer is no. You do not have to come to Karnataka to give the test, because test centers are there throughout India, my dear children. For example, I'll just tell you, for children who are from Andhra Pradesh, you see there are so many cities. Okay, you have Aranpur, Chittoor, Guntur. I might be pronouncing it a wrong manner, but still, yeah, Tirupati, Visakhapatnam, and all this, Nellore, and everything you have. Similarly, you have for Gujarat, okay, Ahmedabad is there, Gandhinagar is there, Jamnagar is there, Surat is there, so many things. Even for Haryana, for Himachal Pradesh, lot of these options are available for you. Again, I'm telling you, I will be putting down the link in the description box, okay, and I will be showing you over here also how you can browse through and how you can find whatever city you are living in. From there only you can give the exam or not. If you are in the same city, why not just try it once? That's my question. You should definitely try it once. Since the competition is really high, I think you should not be, just living off one examination over here. It's very, very important to have a backup plan. You get it? So yes, do that and let me show you. Yes, so this is the list I was talking about. So from Andhra Pradesh, you have so many cities, my dear children, as you can see over here. Then you have Arunachal Pradesh, you have Assam, you have Bihar, you have Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, and it's not just one city. Multiple options are there. For Jammu and Kashmir, for Jharkhand, for Karnataka students also there's an option. There are so many options as you can see over here. And then Kerala, okay, almost it's covering all the districts of Kerala as well. And now Chhattisgarh, okay. Going ahead, we have Madhya Pradesh, my dear children, we have Maharashtra, we have Punjab, we have Odisha, we have Rajasthan, and then Tamil Nadu, Meghalaya, Manipur, New Delhi, Odisha again, yeah, I spoke about it, right? And then what? Tripura, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, okay. Lots of lists are there. If you want to know your cities as well, this link also would be provided to you, provided that you have to tell us. Now let me get back into the PPT I was dealing with. So over here, my dear children, okay. So I hope you have got a gist of things and now you are not at all worried about, oh, should I come to Karnataka or not? I hope you got the answer for it. So definitely, as I said before so many times, give it a try. You never know what works out. Yes, and if you think that our videos are really helpful for you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to show us your love, right? And may God bless you all, praying for you all that you all land up at safe places and your college life would be really, really good. Yes, bye-bye, take care.